Thank you for purchasing the round steel frame pool. The video is only intended to help illustrate the major steps. This is important to review this video and the written instructions completely before you begin the assembling process. Please retain this DVD and the written. Look for a smooth, solid, and level ground to support the weight of the pool. Remove all sticks, stones, sharp objects, or other foreign objects. Select an area which is solid, flat, extremely level, and capable of supporting the weight of the pool. The first step in assembly is to ensure that you have all the necessary parts, as shown on Parts Reference page of the owner's manual. Please contact your local dealer or our after-sales service center if any part is missing or damaged. Please unfold and place the ground cloth, if included, on your selected area. Unfold and place the pool on the ground cloth center, with the hose connections towards the area you wish to place the filter pump. Make sure that the outer drain plug is inserted into the outer drain cap and screwed on tightly. Plug the connection holes with the enclosed plugs. Open the carton and take out the 4 U-tubes and slide each U-tube through the bottom additional connected belt. Connect the T-joint onto the end of U-tubes. Take out the horizontal tube and put it into the corresponding sleeves of the pool. Use the connection end of the bended tube to connect the adjacent horizontal tubes and fix them with a pin. Use the 4 triangle verticals to connect the pool bracket. Find the aligned slide holes on the beam. Place and lock the T-joints into the beam. Please do the same on the other side and ensure they are fully connected. Fill the pool with water. Use soft rubber hoses to avoid damaging the pool. When the water level reaches 1 inch, 2 to 3 centimeters, please flatten and remove the wrinkles at the base of the pool. It is advisable to monitor the pool periodically during the filling process. Continue to fill it with water until it reaches 80% of the height of the uptake the filter pump and the manual. Before connecting the filter pump to the pool, put the rings on both ends of the hoses. Connect the hose to the inlet, upper port of the pump. Tighten the hose clamp on. Connect the other end of the hose to the lower hose head, outlet of the pool. Tighten the hose clamp on. Connect the second hose from the outlet, lower port of the pump, to the higher hose head inlet of the pool. Tighten the hose clamp on. Take out the 2 strainers. Take out both pool plugs from the pool. Insert both strainers. Release the top knob switch in a counterclockwise direction, and then close it quickly when the water shows up. This bleeds air out of the pump. Connect your pump to the electric outlet. Assure the voltage of the Now you can have fun in the pool. Remove the strainers from inside of the pool and insert the plugs. You need to clean the filter or change a new one after being used for a period of time. Engage in a regular cleaning regimen, using the cleaning brush to remove dirt and other fine particles from your pool. During long periods of not using the pool, you should drain the pool and store it appropriately. Take the following steps. Attach your garden hose to the hose adapter. Remove the drain plug cap. Attach and tighten the hose adapter to the drain outlet. Put the other side of the garden hose near the sewer. Now it's ready for draining. After draining the water, please dry the pool off with a soft cloth. Fold the pool for future use. When using the pool, follow these 3 rules. Always make sure that at least one responsible adult is supervising all children and those who do not know how to swim at all times. Never swim or bathe in the pool alone. Never permit diving or jumping into the pool. Open the pool cover and place on top of the pool. Make sure that the top ring is completely covered. Tighten it with strings to avoid it being blown away by the wind. If you have any question about using our products, please visit our website www.jilong.com or contact our local after-sales service center or call your nearest hotline listed in the owner's manual.